This is Bake and Cook with 3. Planning to serve some home-cooked meals this Christmas without too much effort? Here's one idea. Let's cook chicken curry with unique spices. First, we prepare all the ingredients. Pour 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into a big pot, then add the chicken pieces. And fry the chicken for a while. Then add the unique chicken curry spices. Stir-fry the chicken and the spices together. Then add in some water, the coconut milk, and the potatoes. Let it simmer for 25 minutes. It's time to serve. You can have it with some rice or some paratha. Enjoy!